Welcome to Gajraj Hyundai. This is the all-new Creta Adventure series with black grille, front panoramic grille it has, and the DRLs are put on. Well, the car has not seen so many changes, only some certain minor cosmetic changes, such as the red calipers, okay, some calipers, and we get a adventure emblem of the car. Well, the car is really stunning looking, and the color has been same as what has been taken from Extras, khaki ranger color. This is the SX version, so it's one of the top end version of the car, and we will show you what's in the inside of the car as well. Total 360 view I'll show you of the car. Let's go on the inside. So this is the manual version of the car we see, and in the manual version we have also Bluetooth connectivity. You can see as well a 10-inch screen and a really good look of the car as well. You can get a full digital instrument cluster. And one click of a button as well. Cruise control, voice recognition. You can click on a bunch of buttons. Mode on, so you can select which mode you want to drive the car as well. Let's see the map, see the setup. So we got a setup, and we see vehicles, we see navigation.
Hi, have a wonderful afternoon, and don't forget to wear seatbelt.
Very good. So it gives you a notification that you should wear seat belts as well. Bluetooth connectivity, advanced display. Let's go on the display section. What do we get? Auto. Navigation, you can see where we are located as well. So it shows everything as well. Map view. Let's go on the map. You see the key. Okay, this is where we are located. We are located in Salt Lake Sector 5. Interesting feature is the dash cam that is put on right now. Once the car is put on, the dash cam is also available. You can have a view of the car, and we have a back view and rear view. We have panoramic sunroof. So you have a really big panoramic sunroof, and at the back you get the Adventure headrest, which gives you a comfortable ride in the journey as well. You get ambient lighting, and 6 airbags are present in the car, each on the sides as well, and one over here. Manual gear transmission with USB charging as well as USB connectivity, USB charging, and a 12-watt socket. Choke of it. And we close it. Well, that's it, what we have today with the Hyundai Alcazar. Thank you for watching. Visit our showroom at Salt Lake as well as on Calipers. Call us at 983-000-1122 and at 983-000-68068 for more information on the Hyundai Adventure as well.